The Amiad MCFM automatic self-cleaning filter. Outstanding results in high dirt load applications. Developed to deal with the most difficult water conditions thanks to its unique cleaning mechanism. The MCFM consists of a filter vessel with inlet and outlet connections, coarse screen, fine screen, suction scanner, suction nozzle and a jet spray, drive unit, flush chamber, flush valves, piston, control panel, and a booster pump. The filtration process begins when raw water enters the filter inlet and flows through the coarse screen to stop large debris. Clean water flows through the filter's outlet. The gradual dirt accumulation on the inner screen surface causes a filter cake to develop. The MCFM's unique cleaning mechanism combines strong suction force and jet action, effectively removing the dirt particles from both sides of the screen. The suction scanner scans the screen surface in a fast spiral motion. The drive unit rotates the suction scanner and nozzles while the piston moves back and forth, giving the suction scanner its linear movement. The suction force causes the water to flow through the nozzles while dislodging the filter cake from the screen and out through the flush valve. The booster pump creates high pressure at the jet spray nozzle, releasing stubborn solid particles trapped between the screen layers, preventing backclogging. The cleaning process is operated by a PLC that allows shifting between different flushing modes according to dirt load conditions. For moderate dirt loads, the cleaning process is activated according to the pressure differential across the screen or by preset time interval. In high dirt loads, the continuous flushing mode is activated with one flushing valve open. For extremely high dirt loads, the super flush mode is activated for intensified suction force by opening the second flushing valve for a limited time. Clean water continues to flow through the filter's outlet during the cleaning process in any of the flushing modes. The MCFM has an excellent ability to handle water with a high concentration of viscous and fibrous materials typical in the pulp and paper and textile industries. MCFM, proven reliability in high dirt load applications.